Hi everyone, welcome back to Newborn Baby Care Tips. Today, we're talking about a topic that's incredibly important for postpartum recovery, but often overlooked: pelvic floor exercises. If you've recently given birth, or know someone who has, stick around, because this information could make a world of difference. First off, what is the pelvic floor? Think of it as a hammock of muscles at the base of your pelvis. These muscles support your bladder, uterus, and rectum. During pregnancy and childbirth, they go through a lot of strain, which can lead to issues like incontinence, pelvic pain, or even prolapse if left unaddressed. Childbirth, especially vaginal delivery, can stretch and weaken these muscles. Even a cesarean delivery can affect your pelvic floor due to the weight of carrying a baby for 9 months. That's why pelvic floor exercises, also known as Kegels, are so vital. But why are these exercises so important? Let's break it down. Benefits of pelvic floor exercises. Number 1, they help prevent or manage urinary incontinence, a common issue after childbirth. Number 2, pelvic floor exercises improve core stability, which is essential for overall strength and posture. Number 3, they enhance blood flow, promoting faster healing and reducing the risk of complications like pelvic organ prolapse. Now, you might be wondering, how do you do these exercises? Here's a quick guide. First, imagine you're stopping the flow of urine midstream. That's the muscle you want to engage. Squeeze and hold for a count of 5, then relax for 5. Repeat this 10 to 15 times, 3 times a day. And remember, consistency is key. Pro tips: don't hold your breath while doing Kegels. Avoid squeezing your abdominal or glute muscles. Focus only on the pelvic floor. And never do Kegels while actually urinating, as it can lead to other problems. If you're unsure about your technique or have significant issues, don't hesitate to consult a pelvic floor therapist. They can create a personalized plan for you. So there you have it. Pelvic floor exercises are a small, yet powerful step towards a healthier postpartum recovery. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with someone who might benefit from this information. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and take care of yourself. See you next time.